Every year, millions of waste circuit boards are discarded around the world. Even after electronic components are removed, discarded PCB motherboards still contain valuable copper and reusable non-metal materials. Today, we will show you how a complete PCB recycling line transforms waste PCB motherboards into high-purity copper and reusable resin fiber. The recycling process begins with the twin-shaft shredder. The depopulated PCB motherboards are fed into the machine and shredded into smaller pieces by powerful rotating blades. This step reduces the material size and prepares it for further processing. After shredding, the material enters the crusher for secondary crushing. The crusher breaks the PCB pieces into much smaller particles, helping to separate the metal and non-metal materials more effectively. Smaller particle size also improves the efficiency of the following separation stages. Next, the crushed material is transporting into the milling system. Inside the mill, the material is ground into fine powder. This process fully liberates the copper from the resin and fiber, creating better conditions for high-purity recycling. After grinding, the material passes through the circular vibrating screen. Different particle sizes are screened and classified automatically. Oversized particles are returned for reprocessing, while qualified material moves forward to the separation stage. The next step is airflow separation. Using differences in density and weight, the airflow separator separates heavier copper particles from lighter resin fiber. The copper and non-metal materials are collected separately, achieving efficient continuous separation. However, after airflow separation, a small amount of fine copper may still remain mixed with the resin fiber. To further improve recovery purity, the material enters the electrostatic separator. The electrostatic separator uses conductivity differences between metal and non-metal materials to recover tiny copper particles hidden inside the resin. This process significantly increases the copper recovery rate and improves the final product purity. After the complete recycling process, high-purity copper and reusable resin fiber are successfully separated. The recovered copper can be reused in metal manufacturing, while the resin fiber can also be applied in other industrial materials. This PCB recycling line features high efficiency, stable operation, low dust emission, and excellent separation performance. It is widely suitable for recycling depopulated PCB motherboards, waste circuit boards, electronic scrap, and various kinds of e-waste materials. Turning waste into valuable resources is not only profitable, but also environmentally responsible. If you want to learn more about PCB recycling equipment and recycling solutions, feel free to contact us.